Now what I promised to show you is here. Excuse the clutter, but this is my newly built greenhouse that my husband built for me in the last couple weeks. It's still a work in progress, as you can tell, but let me show you a little bit of what's going on here. I have pumpkins, the small mini pumpkins that are coming up real nicely. I brought them up from a seed bag. These are waiting to be planted here in just a couple of weeks. These as well. And these are my tomato babies. Don't know if you can see or not. Some of them are starting to sprout. I'm so excited. And of course another one ready and waiting. I get to plant some more here in another week or so based on our freeze time and rate. That's where I have lemons started and some more pumpkins. My goji berry, potato starts. I believe that is a kiwi. Gourd seeds that I'm going to be doing just like these to be able to get them started. Gift for my grandson for Mother's Day. A sugarcane plant. My fern that's seen her better days, but hopefully she'll pick up now that spring's here. These are my cabbages, just planted a day or two ago, and hopefully they'll be coming up real soon. I have 1 and 2 avocados. They already had about 2-inch roots or more. Sorry about that. They already had 2-inch roots or more. And so I decided to plant them when I had to move the lights. And then, of course, I have I believe it's a passion fruit. No, it's a blueberry vine bush. And this is my passion fruit in here. And those are my babies for now. I have a lot more that I'll be putting in here soon, as you can tell. But I am very excited to share this with everybody. This is the beginning of what will be a very large garden. And what will be a non-existent yard here very soon. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great evening. Bye now.